Mastering prepositions of manner. Avoid the common mistakes. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode where we'll be tackling prepositions of manner. We're focusing particularly on some of the common mistakes and confusions that people often make. By the end of this video, you should feel more confident about using these prepositions correctly in your everyday communication. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the common mistakes, let's do a quick refresher. Prepositions of manner are used to express how something happens or is done. They include words like by, in, with, like, and as. For example, he writes with a pen. Here, with is the preposition showing the manner in which the action of writing is performed. One common confusion is the usage of by and with. By is often used to show an action done by someone or something, while with often shows the means or instrument used. A mistake often made is saying, he wrote the letter by a pen, instead of, he wrote the letter with a pen. By is incorrect here because the pen is the instrument used for writing. Hence, with is the correct preposition. Another common error is misusing in and with when describing actions. In is used to talk about actions performed in a particular style or way, while with talks about the means or instrument used to perform an action. For example, it's incorrect to say, she dances with elegance. The correct sentence is, she dances in elegance, because in describes the style or way of dancing. Like and as can also be a source of confusion. While both can be used to draw comparisons, they are used in different contexts. Like is used when comparing nouns or pronouns, and as is used to compare actions or clauses. A common mistake is, she sings like a bird sings. The correct sentence is, she sings as a bird sings because we are comparing actions here. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on prepositions of manner. We hope this has cleared up some of the common confusions and mistakes. Remember, it's perfectly normal to make mistakes when learning. The key is to learn from them. Stay tuned for more grammar essentials in the next video, and keep practicing.